You have everything, but the main reason you are not acting because of your laziness. You know well enough, you know what to do, but because of you, you never do it. And that's the big problem. Everyone want to do something in their life. They think, I will do so big and I'm crazy. They saying that. Really? Are you really crazy? You are just wasting your time in scrolling and doing nothing. Then how can you say that? I want to do something. If you really want to do something, then you have to take action. You are just wasting your time and saying, I will become something. How foolish it is. So usually, if you want something, you have to take action. Without action, without execution, without implementing, you cannot do anything. And just imagine, do you know Newton's third law? If I do any action, there will be reaction. And reaction have also a reaction. It is so difficult to understand. Like consequences have also consequences. Like if I clap in a classroom so loudly, then result is loud clap. Ma'am will come, ma'am will slap me, and I will thinking why ma'am slap me, and I overthinking and I get sad. See, consequences have consequences. The loud noise, ma'am came to me, slap it, and I'm thinking. That's why I'm saying that. Calculate your every action. If you're watching porn, calculate it. Say, oh, this is not done by me. It is really so bad thing for me. And that's a really important thing for your life, for everything. So change it. Change your identity. Don't put identity like you are a loser, you are a stupid, you are a clumsy, you are a silly. Don't do that. Remove this identity. Make you are a discipline. You are consistent. You are resilient. You are powerful. Nobody can beat you. You are the strongest human being ever made, ever born. Understood? Take action. Without action, you cannot accept result like zero. Zero action. How can you think you will get result? No, you cannot get result. It is so difficult. You cannot get result without taking any action. Then why are you thinking? Why are you thinking? Brother is saying that I have to take action. What the hell are you talking about? I'm saying take action and you are thinking. How foolish you are, bro. How foolish you are. You are not taking action that must be taken by you. And you are the biggest problem. Yes, you are the biggest problem in your life. You have to understand yourself. Do you really want to something or not? That's very important. If you want to study and you want to top in your exam, do you really want it? Or just saying I will top the exam, and you are not working hard. You are not practicing previous year question paper. You are not practice sample paper. You are not practice questions, important questions. Then how can you say that? I will top in exam, bro. Why are you saying that? Are you foolish? Why are you make false promise to yourself? That's a really foolishness. Remove this foolishness in your life. Life is so big. Use wisely. You don't know any moment of your life. And if you're just wasting your time in scrolling and watching porn, doing masturbating, then it is totally pointless. Your life was totally pointless. You didn't live your life fully. And bro, I'm saying that live your life fully. Life is so big as well and so small as well. Big for those who don't want to live. Small for those who want to live. Who want to live 1,000 years, 10,000 years. That's also small. So enjoy your life as well. Do work for your life to live longer. Don't waste your time. There is so many people who already wasted their time, but you should not waste your time anymore. If you know that, if you well enough know that, yes, it is important for me, I have to take action. I have to. There is no chance. There is no chance to do something else. And if I don't do it, another people do. Another people do, and they get results. Then what? I have to take action. If I'm creating content, I have to create it. Otherwise, someone is already sitting, who creating, who is consistent, who is disciplined, who is saying the words as simple as that. And you understood. Message is only take action. Don't accept that you get results by not taking action. Understood?